Pero attorney, ang tanong kasi ng iba dyan, yung mga ginaganyan, may interest ng Amerika. Kaya ho sila kinukuha. Ano ho ba ang interest ng Amerika pagdating ho kay Pastor Kibuloy sa tingin ninyo?
Ay, malaki ang interest ng Amerika kay Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy kasi finailan din siya ng mga unfounded charges doon sa Amerika. If you note, yung nangyari sa Hawaii, I was the one who went to Hawaii together with my wife. We went there. And we even, by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we were able to get the, the plane, which was supposedly seized by U.S. authorities during that time. But the cases were actually filed. And then, may incident din dun sa Van Nuys, California. Alam ko rin yun. And it is pending now in the United States of America. The cases, some of which have foundations doon din sa mga testimonies ni Blenda Portugal and other erstwhile members of the church. So, malaki ang interest ng United States of America kay Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy. So really, his fears are not unfounded. And if we keep an open mind, hindi lang sana tayo close-minded ba na mag-judge kaagad against Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy. Meron nga kasabihan yung immortal cry of Themistocles to Eurybiades na nagsa-strike but hear me first. Pakinggan nyo ang aming mga rason kung bakit. At makikita mo na may basihanan po.
Attorney, meron nagsabi dito yung bang ginawa kay Marcos Sr. na dinala sa Hawaii, na supposedly paway lang yun, yun ay kinikwento naman nila. Yun ho ba isang halimbawa din ng rendition na yan, yung extraordinary rendition na yan?
It may be considered as akin to extraordinary rendition. Pero yun naman parang case of misinterpretation nata yung nangyari doon. But it was really a case of extraordinary rendition din. Kasi ang request ng Marcos family during that time was to bring them to Poway. Pero all of a sudden, nangyari nang dumating na lang sila sa Hawaii. Siguro may miscommunication sa kanila. But the fact remains was that they were taken to Hawaii at first against their own will, and that may be considered as akin to extraordinary rendition.
Yan. So attorney, dahil sa mga ganitong nangyayari na to, ano ba ang posibleng inaantay ho ni Pastor Kibuloy para siya ho ay humarap? Nag-aantay ba siya ng written na parang execute ng parang pangako ng Pangulo na hindi siya ibibigay sa Amerika? Ano ho bang inaantay niya para ho siya sumuko?
Right now, kami namang mga abogado, naghahanap kami ng mga paraan para mapakita na walang kasalanan si Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy. Kasi deep in my heart, I am truly convinced of his innocence. I handled this case since 2019 until today. No? And, may ipa-file nga ako na motion to quash warrant of arrest ngayong Thursday. Ang theory ko dito is violation of the right of accused Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy and his co-accused to speedy disposition of cases. Under the law, the first case na decide ng Supreme Court nito is People versus yung Tatad versus Sandigan Bayan. Doon sa Tatad versus Sandigan Bayan, less than 3 years lang ang delay sa preliminary investigation. Pero dito, more than 3 years, 4 years and 2 months, no? Ang delay po. So ang sa amin is more pa ito kay Tatad versus Sandigan Bayan. Duterte versus Sandigan Bayan is also another example where the preliminary investigation was also delayed for more than 4 years, no? So the Supreme Court also struck out the information filed against him. Katamko versus Sandigan Bayan also speaks about a case which was delayed. Bakit ko alam ito? Kasi at least nakatulong po ako sa kaso na ito. Pero isa talagang kaso na handle ko, Joseph Peñas versus Comelec, which led to the dismissal of more than 1,000 pending cases in the Comelec. Ano yun? that the right to speedy disposition of cases even applies to COMELEC cases. It applies to Sandigan Bayan cases. It applies to ordinary court cases, just like what is now happening in the Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy's case. So therefore, this right is a bounden right that must be respected by our courts. And if we assert this right, the court hopefully would not have any other recourse except to quash the warrant of arrest. Why? Because the violation of the right to speedy disposition of cases on the part of Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy renders the resolution against him void, and therefore when the resolution of indictment was issued and the information was filed, it therefore renders also the information as void, and the warrant of arrest, consequent warrant of arrest that was issued, was likewise void. Through the motion to quash that we will file, we will show to the court that because of violation of his right to speedy disposition of cases, then the information does not stand. The warrant of arrest, therefore, is likewise void.